Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can change your name on Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first thing first, after you open Facebook, click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the menu section of Facebook. Once you're over here, click on the setting icon at the top of your screen. Click on it and it's going to bring you to your Facebook setting. Over here you can see this option called See More in Account Center, which is in blue color. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the Account Center of Facebook. Once you're over here, click on Profiles at the top. Once you're in the Profile section of Facebook, the first option where it says Richie Kevin, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your profile. And the first option where it says Name, you want to click on it, because we want to change our name, so we want to go on name. Over here you can click on your first name and change it to anything you want. So I'll change it to ITCHEY2. That's going to be my first name. My last name is going to be 1. So this is going to be my Facebook name. After I'm done, I can click on done, click on review change, and as you guys can see, the name has certain characters, so you can't use numbers in names. I'll just do Witchy Kevin G like this. So click on review change again, and my name should be changed. So as you guys can see, this is my Witchy Kevin name. I can click on save changes, and now I'm not able to change my name for 60 days. So you need to remember this. Once you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. But yeah, that's how you guys can change your name on Facebook. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.